Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another haul video and this time maxi dresses again. You know, I love the maxi dresses most because they are not only comfortable but super stylish also. And styling them is no brainer. You just wear one piece and ready to dash out. So if you love maxi dresses like me, this haul is for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with this one because this one is really very me. It is printed beige and brown maxi. It looks really easy on eyes, nothing loud, nothing overdone. The print is geometric, but it still feels soft. It is made in blended fabric, so it is super soft and comfortable. You can easily wear this all day long. It is light and comfortable and it moves beautifully when you walk. Like the shape a lot. It has this fit and flare design which suits almost all body type. Plus the design is tiered so it doesn't feel bulky and give you nice gentle flare, and it doesn't cling anywhere, which is always a win. It has simple notch neckline with this front button placket and it has this pleat at the front which gives you the perfect fit, and this elastic detail at the waist gives you the cinched waistline. Overall, it is a nicely fitted, comfortable dress. For the styling, I kept it really minimal with my favorite pearl earrings and a bracelet. For the footwear, I opted for my clear heels and I finished the look with my Van Heusen tote bag. This is a kind of dress which I wear every day on repeat, whether it is a school run or a shopping spree or meeting up with friends. This dress will work everywhere. Okay, so this next one is checked dress. Although the silhouette is quite similar to the first one, but the vibe is totally different. This one comes in this pinkish red and white checks, which instantly makes it little more brighter and little more playful. Trust me, color itself makes all the difference. It has this gorgeous square neckline and three-quarter sleeves, which has elasticated waistband, which I love the most. Again, it has fit and flare design, and there is a tiered hemline, which gives it that softer, more feminine touch. It is made in 100% cotton fabric, so it is really soft and breathable, especially when you are wearing it for long hours. Now for the styling, I paired it with my simple silver studs, a silver bracelet for the footwear, my clear heels again, and I finished this look with my Van Heusen tote bag. This is super comfortable dress. Silhouette is very easy breezy. You can wear it every day, everywhere. Okay, so this next one feels very clean and slightly more polished. This is an A-line dress in soft beige color and it comes as a two-piece set. So inside you have this plain slip in same color, and the best part, it has two pockets also. On the top of that, you get this shirt style shrug. Now the shrug has this beautiful notch collar design and it has this A-line shape and it comes with these two buttons also. So it is your choice. You can keep it open or keep it closed. It has classic three-quarter sleeves, so it is a super comfortable dress. Because of this collar and three-quarter sleeves, you get little structure to it. But the real highlight is this embroidery design on the bottom. It is done in beautiful black color. It is a single color embroidery and it adds so much character to this. Look at this embroidery. Isn't it gorgeous? And look at this. Even the shrug has two pockets. I love it. Its soft, neutral tone and A-line shape makes it easy and comfortable to wear every day. For the styling, I paired it with these silver studs. For the footwear, I opted for black Carlton London heels And to match that, I take my Lavi signature bag and you can see the complete look. This is a slightly polished look which you can wear for work also or slightly formal occasion. This will work. Next one has completely different vibe. This brown and white floral printed dress feel really soft and flowy. Nothing heavy or crowded. It is made in viscose rayon fabric, so it is really light and breathable. It has that fluid movement when you walk. It has this gorgeous V neckline and this short back wing sleeves keep it really comfortable. It has this cinched waistline which gives it little structure, and this front slit gives the edge to this look. It has midi length, so it is perfect for everyday wear. And I really miss pockets in this dress. I styled this dress with these shell earrings to give it slightly boho vibe. For the footwear, I opted for these Must Harbor heels, and my Van Heusen tote bag goes with almost everything. So you can see the complete look from head to toe here. This is a kind of dress which instantly give you that flowy, relaxed vibe without feeling too much. And because the color is brown, you can easily wear it every day for multiple occasion, whether it is a shopping spree or meeting up friends on coffee date. This will work. That was the haul, guys. Tell me in the comments which dress you like the most. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye.